Greeting for the day. This is our problem statement is prediction of disease from symptoms. And this is developed by Priyal, Shivani, Dhruvita, and Riya. Introduction.
The healthcare domain is one of the prominent research fields in the current scenario and the rapid movement of technology and data. It is quite difficult to handle large amount of data of diseases and its symptoms, and sometimes humans tend to ignore their health symptoms.
Our project description. This project depicts the prediction of disease based on symptoms using machine learning. We have implemented through Python programming language, and the research demonstrates the best algorithm based on their accuracy.
Now, why do we need such a model? Nowadays, people face various diseases due to the environment conditions and their living habits. So, the prediction of disease at the earlier stage becomes important. The accurate prediction on the basis of symptoms will help the doctor, and multiple non-interrelated diseases may have some same symptoms. The correct prediction of the disease is the most difficult task.
About our model, we proposed general disease prediction based on symptoms of the patient. For the disease prediction, we use multi-nominal bias classification of machine learning for getting accurate prediction of disease. The accuracy of general disease is 99%. Datasets review.
We used multiple data sets in our project. First, we had an unclean data set, which we then converted to a cleaner data set.
Further, we were having two more datasets, node dataset and pivoted dataset. In pivoted dataset, there is source and other attributes. Source is Y, which we need to predict, and other attributes are symptoms which consist of according to disease. Now to train and analyze the model, we have used train and test dataset.
Conclusion. We implemented prediction of disease from symptoms with accuracy 1.0 using multinomial based classification in machine learning. In future, we can create a mobile application or website so that an individual can enter their symptoms and get the result. For code and dataset, refer to our GitHub repository.
And this is our diagnosis code. So here we have imported the libraries which were required, and after that for cleaning dataset we have first analyzed the unclean dataset. Further, we are writing our clean data which is having columns source, target, and weight. Moreover, then we have node table.csv file which we worked on and to get the symptoms and disease as per ID, label, and attribute. Further, we analyzed our clean data, and through this analyzation, we got to know the length of source, the length of target, and then we got this prediction which we went wrong. This is the wrong predictions and the accurate what that was. Here we got that, and after that with the help of train and test datasets we moved further and trained our model in a most accurate manner, and then we get the accuracy of 1.0. Before our accuracy was 0.899 this, and then score was 0.899, and further after we trained our dataset for the inaccurate predictions we got the accuracy of 1.0. And you can even observe that by confusion matrix. This is the confusion matrix through which we can get accuracy, and the formula for accuracy is sum of diagonal elements upon sum of all the elements. And here all the elements of rather than diagonal elements or other elements are 0. So our accuracy is 1.0. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.